In the Unreal Engine, LOD refers to the technique used to optimize the performance of 3D models by reducing their complexity at a distance or when viewed from certain angles. The LOD system is commonly used in game development to ensure smooth and efficient rendering. Nanite is a new virtualized micropolygon technology introduced in Unreal Engine 5. It allows for highly detailed and scalable virtualized geometry, eliminating the need for traditional LODs. With Nanite, you can import extremely high-resolution assets into your game engine and have them efficiently streamed and rendered in real time. Here's an overview of how LOD and Nanite work in Unreal Engine. LOD. LOD is a technique used to provide different versions of a 3D model at varying levels of detail. As objects move away from the camera or become smaller on the screen, less detailed versions of the model are used to reduce computational and rendering overhead. LOD models are typically created with reduced polygon counts, simplified textures, and fewer details. The engine switches between different LOD versions based on factors like distance, screen size, and performance requirements. Nanite. Nanite is a virtualized micropolygon technology introduced in Unreal Engine 5. It allows for importing incredibly detailed assets with millions or billions of polygons into the engine. Nanite achieves this by using virtualized textures and triangle culling techniques to efficiently store and render the complex geometry. It eliminates the need for traditional LOD creation as each pixel on the screen directly corresponds to a subset of the imported geometry. Nanite can dynamically stream the required geometry based on the viewer's proximity to objects, providing high levels of detail even at close distances. The combination of LOD and Nanite in Unreal Engine offers developers flexibility in managing performance and optimizing memory usage. LOD is still relevant in situations where Nanite may not be feasible or for non-geometry related optimizations, such as reducing texture resolution or simplifying particle effects. It's important to note that the implementation and specific details of LOD and Nanite may vary based on the game engine and its version. Unreal Engine provides extensive documentation and resources to help developers leverage LOD and Nanite effectively in their projects.